Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your March love and work forecast for Geminis. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Gemini, this reading is for you. If you know her, Gemini, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, subscribe, like, share, because you get a chance to win a free reading if you subscribe, share, like. One person, one random subscriber is selected every month for a free reading. Make sure to watch. If you want to buy your personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. For Instagram, visit our Magic Wens Tarot as Instagram ID. And make sure to watch your March pick a card readings. I have done many. Also, for Hindi Urdu versions of these readings, check our other channels. So let's see the theme of the month of March for Geminis. Gemini's theme of the month of March, Five of Swords. Ooh, some confusion, some communication blocks, some trust issues are happening. Some problems, some challenges are there in March which you are dealing and coming on top of. Sorry, excuse my throat. March, how the month of March will be. Theme of the month for Geminis. Oh, Eight of Pentacles. So you are working very hard. You are very busy at your work, your career, and making money, minting some lot of money, lot of wealth. Your thoughts are mostly about work, your wealth, your money. You're busy at your work. You are busy, planning how to finish your work, and you're very diligent in this month on finishing your goals, achieving or making more money. I feel, but some of you may be worried about finding, some of you are actually I don't know how to put this, but some of you Geminis, you're worried that you might lose some money or there is gossip happening in your work. I also feel you are not very open or very not very open to love. You're not sharing your plans to other people. Also, you are scared that some people are, there is gossip around you, or someone is not trustworthy around you. That is what is worrying you. Let's see. Theme of the month. Yeah, the High Priest. Yeah, look at that. You want justice. You want highest honor. You want people to be of high integrity around you. You want people to be trustworthy. You want people to be honest around you. Because you have seen when people are not honest, or there are some people who are not honest, who are not trustworthy. Definitely, High Priest, in this month. This is about, tradition. This is about spiritual growth for you. This is about learning some tough lessons and making peace with it. I also see some leadership roles. Some of you could start teaching this month, or you are going back to your colleges, or you are, getting your first jobs, getting awarded, getting rewarded. So, ethics, traditions, culture, all these things are important to you. People who believe in these things, people who want the same things as you want, Gemini. That is what people who work in relationships, who want to give you time, who are honest, who are loyal, that's what you want. You don't want a cheater. You don't want, nobody wants it, but this month you will not be able to accept it. Even if somebody is gossiping or not sure, not open to communicating, you will not like it. You will not like it. Five of Swords, clarify. Seven of Cups, yeah, some choices are there. Some confusions are there. I do feel someone from the past is on your mind, or some situation from the past is on your mind in the month of March. Something is happening right now in February that you do not want to repeat in March. You want to recover, you have learnt your lessons, you are a spiritual master this month, and you want to move forward, and that's exactly what you are doing. I do see some choices will come from the past, people or situations which are similar to that of the past, but I see that you will, make a U turn and not, if like, if someone wants to sell you something and they keep coming again and again, you will know this time how to say bye bye to them. Like some vendors, some sellers keep trying to sell you something that you don't need. You will like just be, you will outsmart them. So that is how this energy is. There are tricksters, but you will outsmart them. Sorry for that. So interesting. And also, um, Traditions, cultures, relationships, loyalty, all these things are very important. Also, you are being awarded. Some of you may be moving into a new house, buying a new house, or you feel that you need a new house. Should you move? Should you not buy? All those things are there. I see you buying a house or a key, or you are working to achieve something like that, a house, a loyal relationship, a job, something. You're working for something. Let's see how your love life will be, Geminis. Geminis, who is coming towards Gemini in March? Oh wow, King of Cups. So a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, someone who is very emotional, someone who has a lot of emotions, lot of romance. Who is coming towards Geminis? Ooh, Queen of Wands, someone very passionate, someone very hot, someone very sexy, seductive. Who is coming towards Gemini? Aries, Leo, Sag person, Emperor, someone who is a leader, someone who is a powerful person. So, I see that a lot of people are coming towards you, Geminis. Firstly, someone very emotional, or someone who is hot and cold towards you, someone emotional as well as someone. I see two people coming towards you, someone from the past, someone new. Or I also feel like someone who has a hot and cold nature. Like sometimes they are very, very romantic, very emotional. Other times they are very egoistic, very selfish. That kind of a person is coming towards you. I feel you have a choice in love. Someone from the past who hurted you, who mistreated you, who left you, maybe an ex-husband wife, maybe an ex-lover, maybe someone you are not in contact with, they are coming towards you. I also feel someone new is coming towards you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, they may meet you through work or through social media. Someone who understands you, who values you, who is quite intuitive, who is quite intelligent, they are coming. So I see choices in love. And that's why you are asking, people, are they honest or not? Because you have some choices, and people from the past are coming. Someone who ghosted you, who promised you marriage, or maybe an ex-husband wife, they are coming. They are coming. I also feel a very intuitive connection is coming towards you, where there is a lot of telepathy, there is a lot of sexual attraction, passions. Let's see how your relationships will be, Geminis. Ooh, Six of Wands, Four of Cups. Oh, sorry, Four of Swords. Geminis. Ooh, Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Wands and the Five of Wands. Interesting. Clarify. Clarify these. Five of Cups. Oh my God. Three of Pentacles. Eight of Wands. Definitely. I do see someone from the past is coming towards you and they want to talk with you. There is a lot of argument with that person and you know, in March also. Like you want to talk with them or they want to talk with you, but you are like, hey, I don't want to talk with you. You guys don't agree on the same things with this person from the past, or there is a current person where there will be a lot of arguments or difference of opinion. I feel this person is quite defensive when it comes to their emotions. They first approach you, but when you get interested, they kind of back out or they become defensive. I also feel this person is crying for you. They miss you. They want you back. They are begging you to come back. They want to work things out with you. I don't know if you will say yes to them, but there is an energy of confusions, of conversations. You feel like this person doesn't understand what you need, or they want something else, you want something else. So there is a difference of opinion here. I also feel that you will then focus in your relationships on your work or on someone else. I also feel when a new person messages you, you will take your time to get to know them. You will not be in a hurry to mingle with them, even though the lust and passion is like steamy, very steamy. Geminis, there is a steamy connection, but you will try to play it very, very cool. You are like, yes, you are the Mr. Cool Gemini. You are taking your time to know how this person is, what they want, will you get along well. And the Eight of Wands just flew off, so communications will be good with the new person, or after a while, it will, after some mid of month, communications will be better, it will be passionate. Two of Wands, yeah, maturity, mature conversations will happen, what you want, what they want. Two of Pentacles, yeah. I do see that you might be juggling two people this one, definitely. Or you might be like, see, okay, I like you, but I am busy at work right now. So that might be your approach. Or you both are very busy at work. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, yeah. You could be meeting this person online or talking mostly online. They could be in different city or country. I feel like, the person, new person, and you both are busy. So you both will have to work towards making time, taking out time for each other. So Geminis, you are like, yeah, someone have the hearts for you, but you are playing it cool. Ten of Swords, yeah, there has been a brutal ending, and you don't want to go back to that. You definitely don't want to go back there. Geminis, what will happen in their love life? See, Nine of Pentacles. You are choosing yourself, Geminis. You are like, see, you walked all over me. Now I am done. I gonna choose myself. I gonna be, this amazing myself, amazing queen, amazing king. And that's what is bringing the past person, because they see you now in this beautiful energy, of success and a lot of passion. So I see a lot of people coming, but you are playing it cool. You are playing hard to get. You are like, yeah, I know my game, so I'll play hard to get. You will talk with this person, but you will be playing it cool. Like, yeah, I see how everybody goes or how things go. You you are very hard to get. Your focus is on your money, your focus is on loyalty, your focus is on the highest good. Geminis, you are smart, you are really smart. Emotional loss, see, you are scared of breaking your heart. You don't want to go that way which breaks your heart, because you have faced it in the past. See, you are still recovering from a heartache, from heart loss, from a breakup, or from a marriage which broke off, or from some commitment. Someone has really broken your trust. So you are still recovering from it. And look at that, spiritual strength. Yes, Nine of Swords. You have the strength. You can recover. Don't worry. You're on the right path, Geminis. And if you need some time to get to know a person or to say yes to a past person, you are doing right. Nothing wrong about taking your time. Nothing wrong in playing hard to get, if it means you need some more time. Movement, choices, and decisions. Yes, new people are coming, and this time I feel like you will not make the same mistakes as you have made in the past, because you have learned a spiritual lesson, and are now, this new relationship, I feel, is more like a reward or more like a relief from all these spiritual lessons you went through. Mental conflict, yeah, you're still in doubt, you're still unsure whether you want love, whether you should open up, whether you should say yes. So take your time, Geminis. You have all the time in the world. Don't be in a rush. If you need some time to recover from a breakup, that's perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with it. Your own process of healing. So if you are playing hard to get, perfect. Let's see your work and career, Geminis, in month of March. Wow, solar plexus, third eye chakra, love begins. Yeah, a lot of new start is happening in your career. Some of you may, your career will be more successful, your career will expand. Some of you will get more new ideas, exciting new ideas. You are constantly working and thinking about your career, your work, your plans for your future. I also feel that something new will start. Maybe you will go in a joint venture with somebody, or you will start a joint project. If you are in business, a new deal is coming. I also feel that, if you are a student, joint studies or something new that you start in this month, it will bring you a lot of success. It will boost your confidence, your social status, your fame. So a lot of public recognition is also coming, and excitement and knowledge, learning. You are learning a lot of things. Triumphant success. Again, the Ace of Swords. Yeah, breakthroughs are coming. If you are waiting for news, it is coming. If you are waiting for work or contracts or some sort of exam results, you're gonna win it, friends. You're gonna win it. And because you have worked very, very hard, I know you have worked a lot. So believe in yourself, be confident. And look at that, financial and material changes. Yes, you are changing your destiny. You are writing success. You are writing your own success. You are working for it. Eight of Swords. You are, this money that's coming your way, you are minting greens, but you are working all the time. You are working. Some of you are manifesting. So you are doing a lot of hard work, Geminis. So it's a good thing. And meanwhile, you are also very healing from some loss in relationships. So it's okay. It's okay if you're so focused on work. Also, be listen to your intuition. Listen to your intuition. Learn something new in the month of March. It will really help you. Anything you start in March, it will also be very good for you. Oh my God, lots of cards came out. Let's just take them all. Affairs with your family is very important to you, and also who is like trustworthy, who is not, who wants to be there for you for life. All these things are very important for you. Nest and emotionally secure loving family is important. See who wants to build a family, who wants to protect you, who wants to take care of your heart. These are important questions for you. Great worry over nothing veil, but I think people around you are trustworthy. You might be overcautious with people. Weeping willow, family sorrow. Yeah, some of you might need, I don't know, it is like, you want, you are working so hard because there is a family loan, or your family's, other people's finances in the family, your parents, it's not good, so you have to work harder. Maybe they have a loan you have to pay off, or I also feel like you want to give them a new home, buy a home loan, pay off something home related, house, property related issues. Skull, hidden secrets can harm you. You're very scared of people who are planning. You already know that your third, here also it is there in the theme. People who have hidden secrets, you don't like them this month, seriously. Tortoise, slowly but surely you're getting ahead, yes. Moon, changes in your life. Mule, someone is extremely stubborn and willing to change, unwilling to change. Wheel, allowing your life to ramble. So don't think too much this month, I feel. Quill, get back to the basics. Yeah, you are back to the basics. Traditions, religion, culture, authority, doing something risky, taking a chance. Throne, leadership position. Yeah, you are working for it. You want to achieve success. Celebrations are coming, definitely. Use your intuition to make beneficial changes. Unicorn, yes, you have the intuition card here also. Listen to your intuition. Vacation, some of you should take a vacation, go on a trip. Family wishes will come true. So your family wishes will come true. Maybe if you are married, your family is asking you to have a baby, or if you are single, they are asking you to get married, but you are like, I don't trust this person, how can I get married this person? So yeah, you're right, trust your intuition, and make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot so you get your intuition sharpened with our readings, and you prepare for your future before time with Magic Vans Tarot. And subscribe, like and share. This is Mystic C saying bye bye, Geminis.